Hello grade 8, welcome back to another Bible video as we are beginning one of our next projects, which is Paul's missionary journey map. And so we have been studying, we've read through the book of Acts, and we've learned about Paul, and as he starts his missionary journeys, you are going to create a map of all 4 of his missionary journeys, the places he's gone to, and those types of things. It can be very confusing, but your challenge, your task, your summative assignment for this quarter will be to create a map that has all of his journeys on there, all the cities located, all of the provinces in which he traveled to located. Now, over the years, I have allowed students to make 4 different maps, each map with one of Paul's missionary journeys on there, or 2 maps, one with the first 2, one with the second 2, or one map of all 4. It is up to you. It needs to be done well, clearly, and accurately done. There are many examples that you can find online. However, you are going to have to hand draw these. There's no printing or anything like that. You need to do it. You need to have all the cities labeled and marked correctly. So even though we go in, we have the Bible, use the Bible as your reference. It's all you need. There are certain specifications that you need, and these are the first journey places. They are not in order. That's why you need to go to the Bible and see which one it is. Yes, it is a map. You'll need a title, a legend, a scale, a grid, all those wonderful things. You did it last semester. I feel like you could probably do it again this semester. And then his 4th journeys. Now, a lot of people say, well, why does it matter the order he goes in? Well, as we follow this story, it's kind of like a timeline. As we study it, we can see where he goes to next. And as we go through chapter by chapter of Acts, we can learn more about the regions, the culture of those regions, the cities, the geographical features that would influence and have maybe give us more of an insightful meaning to the text at that time. And so this is all important, and it's all part of the process. So these are the provinces on the far left here, or I don't know if that's your left, maybe it is, and then first journey, second journeys. But you need to go to the Bible or your notes, your summaries that you've created, and put those in there. Now I'm just going to move this over. Oops, that's the wrong one. We're going to this one right here. Okay, this is the rubric. It's criteria B, which is focused on your skills. If you want a 1 or a 2, you follow the 1 or the 2, but I always shoot big, so let's go to what makes it a 7 or an 8. Creating a map that shows a great deal of effort, includes all 3 specific provinces clearly and precisely, including all 34 specified cities clearly and precisely, including all 4 specific missionary journeys clearly and precisely. Map should be extensive ability, those things. Remember, it says it's a map right there. That word is very important. That means you need a title. That means you need to put your name on it. That means you need north, south, east, west on there. Some sense of direction. You know the dealio. If you have any questions, please ask. But this, I don't have the due date because there's 2 different classes and they'll be different. But you will be given class time to work on this. You will need to make this map on a paper that is the size of the assignment or larger. So you can do this on a poster board if you'd like, or bigger. But I look forward to seeing your work. I know a lot of you guys are artists, and there's a lot you can do with art here. So I'll see you later.